So I'm doing an event tomorrow that is not my average event. I usually do weddings and things with my microsystem. That's very easy for me to set up and break down. I'm incredibly familiar with it. It's good for maybe 100 to 250 people. I'm doing a big school dance tomorrow, so I'm going to need a lot more power. I'm going to need more equipment. It's not the same rig. So it's not something I'm used to setting up all the time. It's not something I'm used to just grabbing a cable for and knowing exactly where it's going to be. I kind of put some thought into this. So to make my life easier, what I do, if I'm doing an event that's completely outside of my wheelhouse, a custom setup, I like to put together a list like this. Just of everything that I'm going to need so I don't forget anything. That way, when I'm putting things together and packing up, I can look at this and make sure I have what I need. You have to sit down, you figure out your logistics, and maybe I'll look at this list tonight and I'll notice something that I missed, and I can add it. But at least I know what's in the truck, I know what I got to do. These lists help a lot. So anyway, just a quick video for you. That's how I try to keep organized on these custom equipment events. That's it. We'll see you next time, and we'll discuss the logistics of this event maybe in a later video, but not today. Thanks for watching. Practice and enjoy.